Hey, welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to unbox the Casio F91W. As you can see here, Casio F91W-1 watch. In this case, the unboxing is pretty simple. It comes in a plastic case. It's a very inexpensive watch, so you just have to pop the top open the flaps on the side here, and pull out the tray. There is nothing in the box apart from that. And then inside the box, we can see there's some manuals or paperwork, basically a guarantee for the warranty and all that stuff, paperwork. And there's, some other papers here. Basically, it shows you the module and all that. And then Casio paperwork, warranty card, and so on. And then here we have the watch itself. So pull it out, nothing here to see. And here we just have a tag to give you the fact of the number and its European version. This is attached. So yeah, basically that's all there really is to this watch in the unboxing. Nothing else, nothing more, just plain and simple. Obviously the battery's already there. You can see the time is going by. And that is the unboxing of the Casio F91W version 1. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.